Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TD Bank for credit card account management, full guide step by step clearly. To register with TD Bank for credit card account management, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the TD Bank website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button, and from the drop-down menu, select credit cards. On the next screen, look for the option that says register or sign up. Click on the register link to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your credit card number and your social security number or tax identification number. Fill in this information accurately to ensure a smooth registration process. Next, provide your email address and create a username for your account. Choose a strong password, following the guidelines provided on the screen. After you've filled in all the required fields, review the terms and conditions. If you agree to them, check the appropriate box to indicate your acceptance. Proceed by clicking the Continue or Next button. You may be asked to verify your identity through security questions or a verification code sent to your email or phone. Complete this verification step as instructed. Once verified, you will be directed to create your online account. This will include setting up account preferences and notifications as desired. After finishing the setup, confirm all your information and finalize your registration. You should then receive a confirmation email indicating your registration is complete. Now you can log in to your TD Bank credit card account anytime to manage your account. Explore the account management features available, including viewing statements, making payments, and monitoring your spending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.